Hello and welcome to the final part 6 of the project management course. In this part we will learn what to be done to properly close a project. As always, before doing something we have to be clear about the purpose of the work. So what is the purpose of project closure? The main purpose of project closure is to validate completion of project activities and deliverables before closing the project, and to communicate project disposition and status to the project participants and relevant stakeholders. So what activities and in what order should be performed by a project manager in order to close a project? There are a number of activities which project manager should perform in order to properly close a project. First, project activities and deliveries should be verified for completion. Next, lessons to be learned have to be captured based on what went right and what went wrong in the project. After that, project closure report should be produced, and the project closure report should be presented to and approved by the project sponsor. After the project closure report is approved, project resources can be released, and project completion should be celebrated. And lastly, project manager should administratively close the project following company rules and procedures. In order to increase success probability of the project or the future projects, project manager should pay special attention to activities number 2 and 6, namely capture lessons to be learned and celebrate project success. In other words, make people look and feel good. In the following slides, we'll go a little bit more in detail about those activities. When it comes to capturing lessons to be learned, the best simple method to use is after-action review. The method is based on asking and answering 5 simple questions. First, what were our intended results? Next, what were our actual results? That question is about what caused our results, good and bad. Here we look for the root causes. Next, we answer what should be done differently next time in order to avoid similar problems to reoccur, and what should we keep doing in order to get the benefits which we got this time. To learn more about the method, you can check URLs shown on the screen. The same URLs can be also found in the description part for this video. As you remember from previous parts of the course, there are certain things which demotivate people and things which can increase people's satisfaction with the job they do. The best motivators are achievement and recognition. That is why a project manager has to use them at every possible occasion, and project closure is one of those occasions. People's memory about past experiences is very much influenced by how they felt at the very last moments of those experiences. That is why it is to the very best interest of project manager to make people feel and look good when the project is closed. To achieve that, project manager should capture in writing appreciation for contribution made by each individual project participant, so to make them feel proud and happy for being part of the project. Also, project manager should organize a project closure gala event. To be able to find time and money for that, project manager should make project kickoff and closure events agreed and documented in the project schedule and budget. If you do not plan and budget them at the very start of the project, you will not get neither time nor money to do them. I'm not that good at reading text, but here is a joke about what should be a virtue of a project manager and what not. So if you have time, pause the video and read it. And then you can continue to the end of the presentation. That's it what I wanted to share with you about project closure. Hopefully you have got at least one new idea or insight which you can use in your projects. But before you stop the video, please spend a minute to recall what was the most useful for you in this video. Training will be useful only if you remember and use your new insights. If you do not write down your insights, you will forget them already next day, or even faster when you leave the room. There is a doorway memory effect. You can Google it on the internet. So write your insights down before you close the video. Also, if you want to get something done, decide when and where you are going to do it. Otherwise, take it off your list because you will never find time to do it. So help yourself by writing down when and where you will try out your new insights or share them with your team. Thank you.